Two powerhouse platforms in email marketing, Constant Contact versus Klaviyo. One big question, which one really delivers? On the left, Constant Contact, user-friendly and perfect for small businesses. And on the right, Klaviyo, built for advanced e-commerce and automation. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's the roadmap for today's showdown. We're going to break down pricing, automation, analytics and segmentation, ease of use and design, integrations and channels, and finally, who each tool is best for. Ready? Let's get started. Let's kick things off with pricing. Constant Contact's pricing is honestly pretty friendly for folks watching their budget. You get affordable tiered plans, which is perfect if you're just starting out or, trying to keep costs low. Ooh, but keep an eye out for add-ons. Those can sneak up and bump up your total cost, and for some features, they actually price a bit higher than the average. Now, Klaviyo enters the ring with a free tier. That's super tempting. Plus, their pricing is really clear. What you see is what you pay. But here's the catch. As your subscriber base grows, costs sort of skyrocket. And unless you're on a premium tier, don't expect much hands-on support. So for most small businesses at least, pricing goes to Constant Contact. Next up, automation! Constant Contact gives you pre-built, customizable templates and event triggers. It's pretty easy to get started. Great if you don't want to mess with complex workflows. But let's be honest, if you're looking for deep, advanced automation, it's kind of basic. Now, Klaviyo, this is where they shine. Over 60 advanced flows. Welcome, abandoned cart, upsells, they've got it all. Tons of automation options, segmentation, and even AI-powered recommendations. The flip side, the setup's a bit more technical. And yeah, expect a learning curve. But if you want powerful, tailored automations, Klaviyo is the winner here. Moving on to analytics and segmentation. So, Constant Contact gives you the basics. Engagement stats, open rates, all that good stuff. And their reports are super user-friendly. But don't expect much fancy segmentation or revenue tracking. Now, Klaviyo takes things way further. You get deep behavioral segmentation, predictive analytics, dynamic audiences, the works. Plus, you can benchmark against similar businesses, which honestly is pretty neat if you're in e-commerce. It can get a little overwhelming with all those stats flying around. And the best insights are really built for e-commerce, so not as universal. Still, Klaviyo absolutely takes the win for analytics and segmentation. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Constant Contact was founded all the way back in 1995. That makes it one of the oldest email marketing platforms still running today. Kind of wild if you think about how much marketing tech has changed since then. All right, let's talk ease of use and design. Constant Contact is honestly just super intuitive. You can launch campaigns fast, and their support is top-notch if you ever get stuck. The flip side, design customization isn't as deep for advanced users. Klaviyo, on the other hand, gives you massive template editing power. Over 160 templates to play with, which is pretty awesome. But the setup is more technical and might need onboarding time. So for most users, especially beginners, Constant Contact comes out ahead on ease of use. Next up, integrations and channels. Constant Contact offers 300 plus integrations. Think social media, events, basic CRM, e-commerce, all that. But there's not much for SMS, loyalty, or serious multi-channel marketing. Klaviyo steps it up with 350 plus integrations specifically made for e-commerce, like Shopify and WooCommerce. Plus, native SMS marketing and super deep store data sync. The catch? They're less about event or social marketing. But still, for overall channel flexibility, Klaviyo wins. Last but not least, best fit. This one's kind of tricky because, honestly, both serve different people. Constant Contact is perfect for small businesses, nonprofits, local service pros, basically beginner marketers. It won't scale great for big e-commerce brands, though. Klaviyo is tailor-made for established e-commerce, more advanced marketers, folks looking to scale and optimize revenue. But it's not so hot for super basic or non-e-commerce campaigns. So in terms of fit, it's a tie. Really depends on what your business needs. All right, let's take a quick screen grab of our overall scores on a radar chart. Constant Contact shines for pricing, ease of use, and beginner friendliness, while Klaviyo scores big on automation, analytics, integrations, and e-commerce functionality. So here's my take. Constant Contact is the go-to for small businesses or anyone who wants simple, stress-free email marketing with solid support. Klaviyo is absolute gold for e-commerce brands. It lets you go deep with automation and segmentation and really unlock your business's growth. The winner depends on your business. Pick based on your goals and where you're headed. Did this comparison help answer your questions? Don't forget to check back for more expert breakdowns on digital marketing